In this video, I will show you how we can format or beautify JavaScript and CSS codes in Visual Studio Code. Here I have two files. First one is a CSS file and the second one is a JavaScript file. As you can see, it is really hard to understand this code. So we will try to format this code for easy reading of code. So the first step is I need to download an extension. So I will click on this extension tab and I will search for Beautify, and I want to install this one which is provided by Hooky QR. So I will install this. Install. Next step is we need to perform these operations on a file. So I will open my CSS file and then I will open the command palette using F1 key. You can also open this command palette using this view option and command palette, and then I will type Beautify file and then enter. Formatted, and I will do the same thing to my JavaScript file. F1 to open command palette, then Beautify file, and then done. You can see that now it is very easy to understand this code, and if we compare to the previous format, then you can see I cannot understand even a single thing in this code, but after using this option it is very easy to understand. We can do one more thing here. We can also assign a shortcut key to these commands. I will go to the file, then preferences and keyboard shortcuts, and then you can type Beautify, and I have already assigned one shortcut key to Beautify selection, and so I will assign a shortcut key to Beautify file option. So I will click on this and then I will press Ctrl Alt G and enter. So I have assigned key bindings to these two options. So let's check. So let's Ctrl Alt G. Yeah, it is working fine. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.